What's up, everybody? It's your boy Larry with Sony, here to talk to you about something super exciting: software updates. Now, you might be thinking that software updates are not that important, but actually, making sure that your Sony Bravia with Android TV is fully updated is the best way to maximize the performance of your television. So let's jump right in so I can show you how easy it is to update your Sony Android TV. The first thing you want to do is press the home button on your remote to be able to access the home menu. Once you get there, scroll to the left. You'll see a red circle with 9 white boxes labeled apps. Click there. Once you get there, you want to scroll down until you locate the icon that says Help. Click that. Now, once the help screen comes up, you'll see a variety of options on the left-hand side. Scroll down to the option that says Status and Diagnostics. Once you highlight that, scroll to the right, and it will auto-highlight the top header that says System Software Update. Select that one. Once you do that, a new menu will appear on the right-hand side, and it's already highlighted where it says Software Update, and that's what you want to select. Now, once you select that, the TV will begin searching for the latest software. If there's software available, it'll give you instructions on how to run that firmware update. If not, you'll get a message that says your software is up to date, and then you can just press close. And it's as easy as that. So should you have any more questions about keeping your Sony Android TV up to date, make sure you go visit us at sony.com. And until next time, it's your boy Larry with Sony. I'll see you later.